the iPhone is actually sold out everywhere, and I'm not surprised. The iPhone 15 single-handedly is one of the most innovative iPhones yet. See, it has a chip, the A17 Pro, is capable of playing AAA games and doing ray tracing. Think about this for a second. The Nintendo Switch, which is a dedicated console that uses a mobile chip, can't even play modern day AAA games. That is wild right there. So if you're wishing the worst for Apple and for their sales, like, I hate to bring you bad luck, but they're doing really well. Multiple sources have reported over this weekend that the iPhone have actually sold out within 2 hours of going online. So some say 2 hours, some say 1 hour. We don't know exactly the timing, but we know for sure that the iPhones are sold out. So all the Pro Maxes went first, and then the Pro subsequently, and they're all sold out. So there is still a few iPhone Pros, but usually it's a titanium blue that's available in Canada, and that's all 128 GB. So all the 512 GB and the 1 terabytes are all gone in the regular Pro, not the Pro Maxes, are all gone. So titanium is sold out. So don't even try to get titanium. Titanium is gone. Last time I checked, but it's sold out. And now Apple is delivering the models all the way in, not even October anymore, November 7. So they won't have any new iPhones until November 7, because people are buying them like hotcakes, And I always thought about this, and what's pretty fascinating for me personally with Apple is that year after year, Apple releases a new device and they make incremental changes. For example, for this year, they've added titanium instead of using stainless steel to make it a lot lighter. They've added an action button. They added the A17 Pro chip, which is their most pro chip yet. But I think I can actually agree with them that it's the most pro chip yet. I mean, this thing's capable of doing ray tracing, so that's pretty amazing. They've removed the lightning cable at USB-C, so now it has USB 3.0, so you can get lightning speeds with the phone itself. They've added a telephoto lens that's capable of doing 23, 43, and 56, and also 120 millimeters. So they have a 5x zoom, similar to what they have available on the Android phones. But this is not just a regular lens. So this is a single lens that's capable of doing 120 millimeter. Wild. So those are pretty much a major changes. Dynamic island path, we had that last year with the iPhone 14 Pro Maxes. Everything else is practically the same. I mean, like, it's basically the same phone with a couple of tweaks here and there, but people still buy it. Like, it's amazing. So if you have a company like Apple that you can literally produce a phone, make incremental changes every year, but still sell really well. But I kind of understand why Apple does that, because it really makes sense. I mean, small changes, big product every year, sold out. I mean, in 2 hours, it's remarkable. I mean, yeah, it's Apple. Like, what do you really expect from Apple? I mean, yeah. Interesting.